Hi everybody, welcome to my video about SSB. Actually it is my third video, but what happened, yesterday video was the second was slightly lengthy video, so the quality was not good. Certain candidates requested me to make it again, so I'm making it now. This is about GTO events, what I covered in my previous video, which I am going to cancel. It is about SSB, about GTO test events. After you reported, after the psychology test, GTO will be next. In the GTO test, that will be conducted in the open ground. Early morning, they will give you the timing. You have to report there. The first event will be GD, group discussion. Group discussion will be 2 rounds. The first round will have 2 subjects or 2 topics. Out of 2, you have to select one and discuss upon it for 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes. So the GTO will also be sitting just next to the group. He will be observing each and everybody of their each and every movement. After the first round of GD, there will be a second round. In second round, only one topic will be given. On that compulsory topic, you have to discuss. After GD, group planning exercise will be there. Group planning exercise means there will be many problems at a time in front of you. You must be having limited resources. With that resources, you have to solve and address the problems one by one. That is the question. How you are addressing, how you are solving the problems, and how you are prioritizing the problems one by one, that is again up to you. The problem will be given in written form, given in an elaborated manner. In addition to that, GTO will explain you about the problems. What are the problems and what you are supposed to do, how to answer. What is the answer he won't tell you, how to answer. He will give you a little brief about it. Then answer sheet will be given to you. You have to write up in the answer sheet about how you are going to solve the problem of your individual solution. The timing 5 minutes. After that, you will be asked to stop writing. Then GTO will ask you people, discuss yourself in the group and come out with a single solution, which is group solution. This is called group planning exercise. After this, there will be group progressive task. Group progressive task is set of 3 tasks, but it appears similar, same task, but the difficulty level keep increasing. The first task will be slightly easy, then slightly tough, then toughest. I just give you a brief about the task. On the earth, there will be a demarcated earth all around the bricks walls. Bricks just kept on the wall. That boundary, that is a boundary. Within the boundary, earth is out of bound. Inside the earth, there will be 3 or 4 or 2 structures created. You have to, from the starting point, you have to cross the obstacle. by using the structure whatever is given, and you will also be given helping materials. 3 helping materials: bully, rope and planks. And one luggage will also be given to you. You have to carry the luggage throughout. Inside there, a demarcation of the earth, there will be the structures I told you. In that, 3 colors of the paint done. That painting: white, red, yellow. White indicates you can use the touch that spot of the structure. Your luggages, your luggage and your materials can touch. In case of yellow, only you can touch, your materials and the luggage cannot be touched. Then the red, of course, red means it's out of bound for you and your materials and even luggage. There is a set of rules. That rule also you have to follow. In that rule, if you are violated, you have to repeat. I told you the earth is the out of bound. Even the red color painted area is out of bound, and yellow is out of bound for the materials. Suppose you touched the red, you have to go back and come again. That is the punishment. That is the penalty. Then, once the first task is done, everybody crossed that side. Of course, there will be a last man always. You have to recover the last man, take along. Then only it is considered the task is done. After the first one, you have to go to the second. Rules are same. Planks, that is the helping materials are same, and the luggage will be the same. Second is done. Then third. Unless the last man is recovered, it won't be treated as obstacle is done. You have to completely, or the complete man should be out of the obstacle. That's progressive group task. After this, there will be off group task. Off group task means, in case your group is having 10 candidates, that will be divided into 2. Each group will have 5, only for this off group task purpose. These 5 candidates will do the obstacle, because in that group of 10 people, the mild spoken and soft spoken people cannot be heard. That's why the diluted group will be given for providing the opportunity to the soft spoken people, and they cannot be revealed their mind and the ideas effectively for doing the obstacle. That is the reason they provide the opportunity. All people, all the candidates should come out with their points, their ideas, and ideas will be heard by everybody. After this off group task, once again full group task. Only one task will be there, means only one obstacle. The rules and everything is same. The task obstacle will be different. After this, there will be command task. Command task is absolutely tough, and it's the you are the commander for that task. Nobody's idea will be taken, and your ideas and your directions will be taken for doing the obstacle. You will be asked to pick up 2 candidates from your group. You can select as per your own wish, and pick up 2 boys or the candidates, whoever. It's because I'm telling, sometimes the girls are also with you. That's why any 2 candidates you can pick up and use them as your helper for doing the obstacle. In this case also, your helping material will be the same, and luggages will be there. Don't forget, for each and every task, right from the entry, the screening test, till completion in SSB, the time will be given. Time will be very, very short, because if you are given enough time, you think better, best, come out with excellent ideas, and the solution oblique the answers, which they do not want, because they want your originality. Originality comes when there is no time, in a panic movement, in a tensed movement. There is no time to think. Whatever the idea comes first, that is your original idea. Otherwise, it become borrowed idea. When your time is given, the idea may not be your original. Also, in the emergency time, emergency period, there won't be much time to think. That's also a reason why they are making you to do against the time. Everything is against the time. Okay, fine. Command task is done. After the command task, now lecturate. Lecturate means you will be given 3 to 4 topics, out of which you have to select one. For preparation, there will be 3 minutes given for you. I tell you in a better manner. There will be a cards kept on the table. You go and pick up any card out of that bunch. See, whatever is written, they are the topics from which you can select one topic. Upon that, you have to prepare. For the preparation, they give you 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, there will be a bell. You have to come to the dais. Audience will be sitting. Who is audience? Your own group. GTO will be sitting just next to the group. You will be watching. You have to deliver the lecture on the topic you selected for 3 minutes. Once the 2.5 minutes is done, there will be a ring. There will be a bell. Then you have to wind up. That's an indication that 2.5 minutes is over. That's all the lecturate. After the lecturate, there will be snake race. Snake race is nothing. There will that tent, you know the tent ply, the outer ply or inner ply, that's made of a thick cotton. That is opened and rolled. It become a cylindrical form of a lengthy that looks like a snake. You 10 candidate means in a group, you have to hold a whole lot of 10 and make it straight. Keep it straight. Like you, there will be another couple of more groups, maybe 4 or 5 groups in the same board. Since this task is the final task in the GTO, there will be a competition to see the sportsman spirit. There will be a competition among the groups. Like you, another 10 people will come, another 10 will be standing in a line, holding the snake straight. The snake should not be bent. And at a time, always, your body should keep touching the snake. At least the hand should be holding. You cannot completely detached from the snake. There will be a set of obstacles in front of you. You have to keep crossing that. While crossing, you should not leave the snake alone. The whole lot of 10 people will be touching the snake, means holding the snake straight as much as possible. The rules about touching, not touching also, the same what is applicable in the group task, group progress task, command task, whatever. In this obstacle, of course it's a slightly tough obstacle. Once it is, that obstacles are not sometimes, compulsorily 6 feet walls, 10 feet walls, the Burma rope kind of thing, sometime jumping, all those things are there. And before this is, I told you, this is the last obstacle, last events. But before that, IOC is there. And the sequence, I just omitted this IOC. IOC means individual obstacle crossing. It's a set of obstacles. In a compact campus, 16 obstacles will be there. You have to do the obstacles, cross the obstacles, the whole lot of 16 in 3 minutes. They give you 3 minutes and they blow the whistle. Once the whistle is blown, you have to start. You have to start from number 1, then number 2, number 3, number 4. This is the method. Otherwise, what they do, sometime the sequence are zigzag. So there will be loss of time when the candidates are searching for the sequence order. So they ask you to do complete 16 obstacles without omission. You can start from anywhere. Once the 3 minute is in 3 minutes, once you have done it, if you have time in hand, you can again repeat any number of obstacles. In this, marking is number 1 obstacle will carry 1, number 2, 2, number 3, 3, like that up to 16. 16th obstacle is 16 marks it will give you. At each obstacle there will be a number board. So after you finish one round, you have got the time in hand, you can repeat. If you repeat the 16th obstacle again, your mark will be added another 16. Like that, the number of more obstacles you repeat, so much of mark will be keep adding. This is a good opportunity actually in this IOC to score more mark. If you score more mark, there is bright chances of your name comes in the merit list. So, ladies and gentlemen, I end with this video with this. I continue the same thing, GTO and a little more in my next video. Very soon I will release it. Till then, I take your leave. Goodbye. Jai Hind.